Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started our fifth lesson. Listen, and the name of the lesson is trees are best friends. No, in this lesson from the beginning, what we have learned that what are the importance of the trees and what are the advantages of planting trees. Isn't that they give us wood, the medicinal herbs, they give us shade, they help in bringing the rain, they maintain the water in the soil of the plants, isn't, and it's a very important thing that they give, that is the oxygen which we inhale, isn't, and they absorb the carbon dioxide, isn't. So all, and they bring the rainfall also, they cause the rainfall also. So all these things we have learned till here. Now I'm going to start from here, that is the next page. Children said, they asked to grandpa, what should we do to save the trees? Isn't what the children asked to the grandpa, that what should we do to save the trees? Grandpa, we must protect trees. What he said, that we must protect trees, we must teach people about the importance of trees, and we must teach the people about the importance of trees. Many people are there who don't know about its importance, isn't? We must try our best to grow more trees, and we should also try our best to grow more and more trees. We should save trees by not cutting them, and we can save them by not cutting them. Okay? The Chipko movement was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna to save trees in Garhwal. When tree fellers came to chop the trees means came to cut the trees, people tightly clasped the trees with their arms, making it impossible for them to cut the trees. So the Chipko movement to save the trees, this Chipko movement was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna in Garhwal. So when the tree fellers, they used to come to chop the trees or to cut the trees, what the people were doing? People were tightly clasped the trees with their arms and making it impossible for them to cut. Means just to stop them from cutting the trees, they used to hold the trees tightly. Government has started the Van Mahotsav program, which means planting of trees. So these are the certain things which has been done by the government, and this is the movement which has been started by the Sundarlal Bahuguna. All these things has been done to save the plants, to save the forest. Government has started this Van Mahotsav program, which means planting of trees. We should not waste the products obtained from the trees. This will result in less trees being cut down. And there are many things which we get from the trees. So we should not misuse it, isn't? We should not do the misuse of it. For example, the paper. If there are not going to be any tree, then from where we are going to get the papers, isn't? So we should use such things in a less quantity, so the less trees are going to be cut down. For example, the timbers, woods for making the furnitures, from where we get from the trees only. For making the papers, we get the papers also from the trees only, isn't? So these things should be used properly, so that there should not be any misuse of these things, and in this way we can save the plants also from being cut down. All the children thanked grandpa and promised him that they would treat trees as their true friends. And what the children said to grandpa, they thanked him for telling and for giving so much knowledgeable things and so many information regarding the trees, isn't? And the children, they promised him that they would treat trees as their true friends. They promised to plant more and more trees. Meanwhile, it stopped raining. They happily rushed out to play in the garden. And then at that moment only, when the children and the grandpa, they all were doing the talking, they all were doing a discussion about the tree, the rain stopped and the children ran out happily to play in the garden. Okay, so many useful things we learn from this chapter, isn't that? What are the advantages of planting the trees? So what we have to do, we have to plant more and more trees, and we should use such things carefully or properly which make the use of the which is made from these trees, so that by doing these things we can save the trees also from being cut down. So thank you and have a good day.